Hello and welcome to this next episode of How to Program a Library. Before we do anything, you should save your library as a new copy. I did it already. And then we talk about what we want to do now. In the first episode,
do you want to borrow
we added in this book.
Great.
And you can talk with it. Then in the second episode, we programmed that it here now says borrowed books. The book shows again. Yes.
Great.
And it asks us,
should I read aloud?
Now.
Okay.
It didn't make a difference if you entered yes or no, because we didn't add the feature to read aloud until now. But we want to do that, but I think not in this episode. In this episode, we try to program that we can turn this page to another page. I hope you did write another page. I have it already, this one. And now, how do we do it? First, that we have a little cooldown before the user can turn the page. We wait 10 seconds. Then we make a new custom block and name it Turn Page. Important. Don't tick the one without screen refresh, because we might want to animate it. Then pop this Turn Page after the wait 10 seconds in here. Now, in the Define Turn Page custom block, what do we want to do now? I kind of feel that it is good signalizing, telling the people when they can turn the page. So, make a new sprite, naming it Turn Page. And let the first costume like that. And then make another costume for this. Change the color to whatever color you want. And then right here, Turn Page. Or better, you can turn page now. And make here a little rectangle. In another color. There we go. Nice text and nice background. Very good. Now we need to position it. Now I think here's good. So name the first costume blank and the second costume turn page. And when we receive read book, which is broadcasted here, we see it takes 11 seconds until this turn page custom block is used. So, wait 11 seconds. Then we switch to costume turn page. And when green flag is clicked, we switch to costume blank. Or better, just hide. Until show. Now we want to go to front layer. Here. There we go. Or here. And now we want to have an ability when I don't want to see it. We want to have ability that when I don't want to see it right now, we can click on hide. But before we do that, let's test it one time.
Great. Do you want to read climate change? Great. Should I read aloud? Okay.
And let's see. Now we need to wait 10 seconds and yeah! That is good. I think that's very good. Now, I thought when we click on it, it just hides. So, on this turn page. So, forever, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, so if this sprite is clicked, we just hide. Then stop this script. But I think, look, this when I receive read book is no good event, this read book event, because when we broadcast that, the book starts from new. Or doesn't it? It just don't start from new. So, yes, that is a good event. Now, try that. Click it, then try it. And yes, we can hide it again. And it is going good. A good way. Now, how do we turn actually the page? So, how do we want to turn page? Why don't we write that here? Instead of you can turn page now. Left arrow to turn page. Like this. Very good. That looks better. Yeah, and everything is okay. So, when the left arrow is pressed, forever, if key left arrow pressed, right arrow. Why did I say left arrow? Right arrow to turn page. Now, I think this is good for now. Only I need to update this. Very good. Now. And if you want to be a little crazy, you can use this tab to what the heck? That's funny. But nah, I don't want to do that. So, when the right arrow is pressed, we want to have a cool animation. Do you know our animate block up here? Yes, we used that a couple of times. So, we can just duplicate this. And I don't like this wait 1 second here, so I also here make it to 10 seconds and also delete it here. We can drag that in here, and we need to just switch costume to preface page 1. Preface, And yeah, then this stuff that turn page out of it, and let's look if That is working.
Do you want to borrow climate change?
Yes.
Great. Do you want to read climate change?
Yes.
Great. Should I read aloud?
Yes.
Okay.
And now we need to wait a little. Okay, and now press the right arrow. Yeah, we just need to hide this thing. So, when key right arrow pressed, hide. Very good. Now, everything
Climate change?
should going
Great.
should go according to
Do you want to
plan.
read climate change? Great. Should I read aloud? Okay.
And now, yes, it is going according to plan. And now, yes, it shows up again. We can hide it. And yes, I think that is very, very good. Now, we don't want it. Now, what if we have a third page? We don't want to need to make a new custom block for every page. So, instead of switching costume to page 1, we make a new variable named page for this sprite only. And now, when the green flag is clicked, we set page to 0. And not to 0, to 1. Or better, to 2, actually. And now here, we don't switch costume to page 1 or to page. We switch costume to join page, uppercase page, and then page. So in this case, because we're switching to page 1, when the green flag is clicked, I set page to 1. And then here, we change page by 1. But now when we are trying to again go to the next page, it actually works. But we lost the cooldown, so bring here await 10 seconds back again. And now we see it would work because our page is 7, now it's 8 and more. But because we don't have more costumes, it just every time switches to this costume again. But if we would had another page, it would switch to this costume. So, now, how do we try to, how do we program that we can read aloud? Friends, we are gonna look at that in the next episode, because this episode is over. It was only 22 minutes long, but drop me your feedback in the comments. Do you want that I make again videos that are half an hour long, or do you like shorter videos like this one? Also, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help me. Everyone who likes and subscribes helps me to make more videos, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So, until next week, bye.